Hi everyone, here we've got NOKIA G10 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just open it. And let's take a look at this option bar right here. We have to enter the settings, which are on this position. If you cannot find them, no worries. Just tap on this three dots icon and the settings should appear right here. You will be able to tap on them and drag into this area to have much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on languages. Here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on add keyboard, and as you can see, we've just been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. I'm sure that you will find the language you would like to set. So all you have to do is to simply find the language and tap on it. And let me begin. Let me actually go back to the beginning of this list, because I would like to check the graphical, let's say, language. So let me pick Arabic. As you can see, sometimes you will be able to pick the region also. Let's tap on done, and as you can see, it immediately appears on this list, so we can go back to the keyboard in order to check how it looks like. And actually we've got two differences. First of all, the spacebar isn't empty anymore, is not empty anymore, and right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So here we've got English. What's more, next to it we've got this globe icon, let's say, and this key is a language key, so it will allow us to change the language. So right now we are typing English, and after tapping on this globe icon, we can easily switch to the Arabic one. Let's check it again and again. So it works. This is how it works in this device. So if you'd like to remove the language, because sometimes you do not need two different languages added, all you have to do is to simply get back to the languages and tap on this edit icon. Now you can mark the language we'd like to remove. I will pick Arabic and tap on this trash bin icon, and after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that the spacebar is empty and we cannot see the language key, so we just got back to the very first step of this video actually. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your NOKIA G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.